Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you guys a new throw blanket that I have here in my living room that I am absolutely in love with. This is from Best Home Fashion, and this is a faux fur throw, and it is amazing. It is so beautiful. I love everything about it. So first of all, it's an oversized throw. So it is about 84 inches by 58. And I got this in the champagne fox color, and I just think that the color is gorgeous. It's a nice neutral, it's not too dark brown. You could pair this with all different colors, all different decor, and I think it just adds this really nice, luxurious feel. I love the texture, I love the visual interest when you see the fur laying on the couch or maybe across your bed. It's just beautiful. So not only is it beautiful, it is super comfy, cozy, so warm. The actual fur part is really soft. It has a nice length to it, so you really do kind of feel like you're just cuddling up with something soft and furry. And the underside is this incredibly smooth, soft, silky kind of fleece material, and it just feels amazing. This is a heavy blanket as well, so if you like a feel of sort of a weighted blanket, this is just gonna be right up your alley. It is so cozy and super warm. When you feel this blanket, you can tell that this is a very high quality. These are premium fabrics. They feel amazing. So I just love everything about this blanket. I love the way it looks. I love the way it feels. It's so cozy, so warm. I love the way it adds just some interest and some pop of texture and color to my living room space. You're gonna love it too. That's my point of view.